Oh, what a long day it was. I'm just gonna get a nice sleep. What's that rack outside? Oh, I've got to go and check it out. Let's go and see what's going out. What do you want? You want to be independent. What, you can't be independent. What are you talking about? If you won't let us, we'll just go and attack. I'd like to see you try take out my army. You won't be able to. Well, you haven't seen the mighty Parrot Empire. Well, I'd like to see you try and take out my navy. I'd like to see you visit. I'll go and visit you. I'd like to see you visit my navy. You won't be able to destroy it. Good luck. Good riddance.